will show you how to remove the tuner cartridge when the printer is not working, like no power in or error. We cannot press the inside the screen. Just even for many HP like LaserJet Pro MSP M177 or Pro 100 or Pros or Laser Color CP 10025. Yes, this printer, when we can turn on, can press yes, no power in. So how to remove this? Can so when we want to remove another tuner cartridge, we need to press this one, this clip. Yes, pull this clip and can rotate the tuner cartridge. No, this one is, so we need to use this clip. Okay, in the clip we can rotate. You can see this one and this one. Okay, look at this one. Okay, let's put this one and rotate this. Sorry, I'm sorry, I do only one, 2% to have on minute. This one. Yes, need to do this one. Okay, then we can remove it. Yes, yes, and we remove, need to see the clip. Okay, okay, if the clip like this, we cannot take out, so we adjust this. Okay, yes, or we want to remove another cartridge. Okay, this. Can rotate here, easy. Yeah. If this one stay here, you can remove. We call this kind modifier when the printer errors. We cannot press on the screen or the button or another control panel for remove the cartridge. And this, if it go up like this, cannot, so we push it down and hold it. Yes. Okay. If you remove like this, cannot. Okay? You can see here, it's both sides. And this one. Now you need to gel like this. Okay. Yeah. It's black. Okay. And you want to another cartridge like this. Okay. Okay. For alternate cartridge, remove. You need to press this one. Okay. Sorry. Just when it's up, you cannot remove. Okay. And press. Okay. Sorry. I do only one myself. Okay, it's like this. If like this, you can remove. Okay, rotate it. Nhưng anh move về mà đo cái này mà nhưng anh được. Okay, yes. It's need both sides. Okay. Yes. All the tuner cartridge you can remove like this. Okay. Sometimes when the printer error or broken, you cannot take out the tuner cartridge. Let me use this clip. You cannot rotate the tuner one by one. Yes. This magenta. Rotate this one. Okay. Individual. Okay. This yellow. And I do before. Yes. Not use the control panel. Yes. The control like this. When the control panel not work or the printer not work at all, but we can remove the tuner cartridge without turn on the printer by press this one, this clip. Yeah. Okay. Now it's okay. If we not through this one, we cannot rotate. This one. Okay. It cannot. Yes, it cannot. Need to run the. So if you want to remove, press this clip. Okay, and this will show how to remove the tuner when the printer is get bent. And okay, or for the image tram. Okay, this clip. Yes, and okay, thank you for watching. Money's user, he asked me how to remove the tuner cartridge when the printer cannot turn on the control panel not working. If the cannot working, we can press the button for follow the color that you want to remove. But when the printer is get back, we cannot. So we can use when 100 or another printer, CP color LaserJet can do the same.